as an illustrator, I've worked on a couple books that I kind of show them the step-by-step of, go over some of the books that I've done in my career, and then I've been doing some kind of hands-on activities with them where I'll actually do live drawings in front of them, and then afterward I'll have them kind of do their own drawings as well. I hope that it inspires them. First and foremost, inspires them to read. I really come at this from a literacy angle, but also from a creativity angle. So I hope to inspire them to read, but also to be creative.
I am excited about drawing with him. He's a very good illustrator, and I just wish I could really be him.
It encourages reading, which is a crucial part of the students' lives. Everyone needs to read. Reading is very important, and seeing someone that is successful, this is a very big deal for these kids. Whatever dreams you have, just go for them, because the sky's the limit.